how businessman saves taxes. Even businessmen earns incomes in crores, then too they pay zero tax. One of the best examples which comes to my mind is about Elon Musk, who is the current world's richest person. Even his company, that is Tesla, which is worth 11 billion US dollars in the year 2021, he paid $0 income tax to the government, US government, or I can say 0 cents. This is an enlightening example how businessman saves taxes. So the question come to our mind: how businessman saves taxes? Businessman saves taxes by not booking profit from the business. What does this mean? Let me explain this to you with an example. When any company earns profit at the end of the particular financial year, then the owner, instead of booking the profit or taking salary from the particular company, he prefers to take more shares of that company. Why? This gives two positive effects to that particular company. Firstly, it gives positive signal to the investor about the company's strength and confidence, because the owner is more and more interested to invest in his own company, which also result in the increase of share price as well. Secondly, the benefit to the owner is he does not get any hard cash in his account, which means there is no income left that directly seen for taxing by the government. Now the questions come to our mind: what about the taxes on shares which he received from the company instead of taking profits? Is it not taxable? The answer is shares are also taxable, but the tax system on the shares is completely different. In simple terms, the taxes are required to be paid when we sell the shares. Once again I repeat, the taxes are required to be paid when we sell the shares, not when we receive the shares. This is why the businessman buys shares of its own company. Again, question arises: if owner does not take any amount from the company, then how will they survive? How they will meet their personal expenses? In this aspect, they take loan from the financial institution by giving collateral to that financial institution of the shares which he held, and they also claim the deductions under the various provisions of law on the loans which on the interest which is required to be paid on the loan taken by from the financial institutions. Once again I repeat, they take loan from the financial institution by keeping collateral of the shares which he held from the company, shares of the company, and against that when he pay interest to that financial institutions against the loans, they claims deductions under the various provisions of law. These are the primary activities which the businessman does to save the taxes from the government, and these all are the legal ways to save taxes. It is under the provisions of the law to save the taxes under these sections is allowed, and it is completely legal.